Bam, it's your boy Scott SEOTT from 1246 Know the Vibes, yes sir. I'll share at VSOP Vibescape Origin Podcast. I'll share with my kids. No man, I'm going to who's you? What's your name? What you do?
Now I into the
people have to know you.
Nah, they want to know us. Yeah.
How we in?
Because now, okay, yeah. If you guys have intros, like you can do intro. Man, I don't have intro.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna tell somebody.
Yes, they don't know someone that TV that chief. That's what's in the ten.
Hey, how's
Yeah, man, that's something.
How's
My appetite. Not but it's a push about
issues and 20 crowns.
So yeah, we're chilling with Natwasema 10, aka Nati, aka
Costa.
I feel like it's in Namaka money. Yeah. So Puma go to Mizan.
Pamandla.
Kabanga nje first day ngifika ngibiza ngosiphamase ukuthi buye.
Yes. Nonos.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
But nonos. We're not alone. Spete.
So much.
So it's spete over.
Fanele Bunolo. Yes.
Bonolos.
Fanele Bunolo. Scott.
Mwah. Eh?
Scott.
Ngenzweni?
Travis. Let my poem.
Yeah. Hey, I said that last week. Hey, it's Travis Scott, not Scott Mapuma.
The Puma become like Scott.
Travis Scott.
Tena Scott Mapuma.
Travis Scott.
Mapuma. Assist state.
Telling me a backstory.
Yeah, come like Scott.
I just keep at the.
Huh?
I just keep at the from Travis Scott.
What time Travis Scott?
I love Travis Scott. Scott. I just I fuck with a lot of Scott. Now Scott Atkins. I just fuck with the name Scott. Yeah, most people like.
You should see the community Scott. Very hard to
Scotland. Scott. Skating calls off trading time. Skating calls off trading time. I'm a trader and I love skating. So skating
Trader in
calls
Forex.
off trading time. So cool in Forex. It's real.
Forex.
Yeah.
Forex trader.
Maranga moto. I'm not sure I'm a real trader.
Oh, no, but you have very Twitter ama deposit nan.
Mara let's go my America. Angishasha indlela yonke. Cabanga sikuphi yabo la isikele sisho but ngishasha indlela yonke ukuthi deposit imali yami NSFAS 5,000.
5,000.
5K chief ifake chief uzobona next week 10,000.
That one is
ngaso sikhathi bengakajwayeli nokuyijwayela ngaso sikhathi
Mara when ungashaya I mean I forex ngabe scam. I mean I
forex trader I'm scared.
Tell people that you have a robot.
Hey, Joe.
Things robot,
Yes.
So a robot is programmed. So like basically.
Yeah, robot is now.
Yeah.
I'm going to get some forex trader most. I think most as well as trader like in such a way like things like I first like go Instagram. Mongas bega go Instagram.
Yeah.
We are going to you. I am going to PDP and I'm PDP. And now I forex game as
I'm an IP.
And they say I have a scam.
I'm also an IP host. I was being introducing broke.
Ranjan.
Over like you see those people who want video but they trade with what and who find things like that. Yeah, introducing broke. I introduce a broker to you.
Where's the man?
Exactly. Money is money.
And most of them they make money from being an IP.
Oh,
because you guys keep on introducing these things and then a lot of stuff.
And then we have to pay.
Imagine.
But there is money there, gents.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Just that I see the money abantu bakhombisa bayenza yona. But in the East, man, there are people who make a lot of
minimum.
Minimum.
That you have made.
Me?
Mm.
No, I don't want to disclose that. People are going to come for me.
3 million.
SARS.
Since you
If
want to
you
decide.
with me, I was going to show you my, I'll have to show the people also.
You don't like flexing.
Yeah, Joe.
Mawuyenza bo
Okay, now I'd say, or now, hey, same with you. I was a beast last year, my brother.
That's the.
I was kidding.
Mm.
The thing is, what fucks up this thing, once we were greedy, then claw bad. Relax, fund 5 clipper, fund 1K, make 2,000, make 2.5.
Understand what you're saying. Same as what we SS. Yeah, but
there's no way.
Greedy how?
Okay, let's say we deposit some thing voucher. I'm just making an example, guys. It's not
5 rand.
That's right.
I don't have 5 rand.
Okay, then it happens with like you win 5K banyana.
5 rand.
Yeah, it happens.
Mm.
It happens. Yeah, like if
Our team are gonna say the name Shabbat.
Ooh, the odds.
Down with 10.
Oh, yeah.
our bro Tado.
Yeah.
Eh. Ushayela I think ubetcha ngoma 5 or 2 rand. Somewhere.
Shabbat.
1 point something.
1.2. Yeah, it was 1.2.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
And
I know like with me and bengs will deposit yonke le mali lethi ngizoyimultiply. Ake manje like I'm aiming for I don't know, my young 10K nyana.
Yeah.
Okay, no team out two. If okay, let's say for example I'm betting for Barcelona and the teams that I know what's better they're gonna win no matter what. Yeah. I'm betting for Real Madrid. Those teams were facing those big teams. Our team is, but then at least two teams nyana.
These things they clever also. Because I'm team winner and I'm odds upon.
Exactly.
That's how we make money.
Real Madrid neqala FC. Real Madrid neqala FC. Real Madrid ama-odds akhona athi 1.05. Then qala FC boma 7 odds. Yo yabona ukuthi
aya ubone the return usiyasipha.
Cha, when uyangena Real Madrid straight to him. Then ito qala FC pa ibhasi khwasha. Ayikho. Then the next thing yabona iphethe kae. Mara bakhona abantu abawina, bakhona nkinga abawina
people shabas.
Mara most indaba ukuthi bafihla ama losses, kayini ngifuna investment eningi before uzowina imali.
Exactly.
Oh, bad.
Instagram. Mostly Instagram about TikTok. Because you see these people making money driving cars and then now yeah, it's on the Forex.
Forex. Mara ngiyabona Forex, yacaba isande aviator. Yabona kayo. Yabona inhliziyo yakho, yabona iyafly nenhliziyo yakho gone out yabona. Mara otherwise guy. But the best way to make money ukuthi uvele ushayele business and that's a guaranteed win. But if you put in the
it's hard also.
I'm not sure.
Is on team. Let's say for example, person A name udlala Forex, person B ngivula business. Business like if I put in the work 100% sure, maybe let's say my business akhona la campus
Depends actually.
If business engathi yaphuma la campus. Let's say ngithengisa isinkwa ke for example. Let's say ngithengisa isinkwa nama cold drink ne. Then ulesinkwa lesi, then there's a person odlala Forex or odlala Betway. Mina isinkwa ngiyasithenga. Then nama cold drink nama sweet. Guaranteed ukuthi ngizozithengisa like it's 100% sure ukuthi ngizozithengisa. Then if Forex you're not sure ukuthi uzoba
imali. You can't play.
Yeah. So the thing is sure ukuthi ngebusiness guys a guaranteed win.
Yeah.
I think the guaranteed obvious kuna mama. Yeah.
Manje as people bafuna imali.
You must compare man. Ukuthi yipe ku demand.
Ne.
Yeah.
Into ngisho ukuthi like kumele kube ama-risk appetite wethu awafani. Khona umuntu ozoriska nge-Forex, khona umuntu ozoriska nge-business. Mina ngeke wena nathi for example ngeke uhambe uyorasa lapha maybe let's say uthengisa ama-cool time emingate lapha yarasa. Cool time. Abanye ka abekho confident. Mina ngayenza personally ne. Then abanye ka uzobona ukuthi hayi mina ukuthi
confident ngaleyo ndlela.
Mama cool time mina ngidala ngithengisa ama-cool time. Ngikutshela ntwana yini yadlala. Eka eskela like high school ne. ekadayo mntana bengivusinye ikhatheni nezinye zami mfana yo besithengisa amathopa istock suite nani futhi amathopa istock suite amastyle namaghost yanzana then like my man yasicala kanjani we invest 200 obviously maybe let's say Monday we invest 200 then Monday let's say uthenga amathopa I think we 70 rand by that time ibox lama amathopa lawa 12 we 70 rand amathopa then istock suite I 40 mali nkonje istock suite boma 45 rand siphuma zi 48 then is Z2 ukuthi sibe 50 yazi istock suite uthengisa nge 2 rand yazi profit like 100 rand half of the money 200 to invested so it's to the bank amathopa wathengisa ngemalini nge 10 rand aphuma 12 so ku 120 shukuthi wena grand rand ubuya ngemalini nge 2 malini
man it's not meant to
20
it's quite not 220 because what I remember was if you're investor let's say Monday by Tuesday imali yakho si double by Friday may double try maybe by Friday sesibala ama 700 income then uthatha 200 ibekele eceleni weekend sayikho la 5 days
I never thought of it like that, Shane.
Phela Monday uyazi ukuthi Monday abantu maybe
yes there's someone washo lento lesho yani you said you never thought it like that okay when it comes to what the mindset of the business
profit.
oh okay no it's fine
but I mean lapha high school ngingacabanga profit I think if ka imali yakho na besisebe besingayidli ngabe no rich you know ngitshela ba ngabe no fresh
I hate so much it as a cast because bashanga mentality broke mentality and stuff like that and I was like wow yeah ne
Maria happy no because
some do actually
okay
you get money you're thinking of store alcohol and clothes.
Okay, when I was about what's like
they never invest.
That's the problem.
Grandson, Rough right now. Alcohol, clothes, store, maybe a car, and then pay.
But my man, that's not like I feel like never. Let's say for me, like Puma, like a car, straight deep down a car, like. We were not exposed to investment let's say
my before Friday.
Weekend
I'm investment ngifila ngathi ndoda into angazi ndoda so umdala usocabanga lezo zinto like that's how they projected lento le investment yabona especially uzoza umzalo wakho ukuthi azokutshela ngeinvestment niyabuza ukuthi mama yo awube kancane mina ngifuna imali ye weekend
abazali ngawo they not most in kusuma investment like they most to ama savings nani so bazokutshela ukuthi beka imali nani mara thina ka mina ngikume kahle like save account
kinda similar because now at the end of the day you Spanish lo manje you isa somewhere uyangizona mina ngifuna imali ya weekend
true it's the mindset and that's the people they do hustle
but it actually makes sense
they do hustle
at our age to spend your money.
Yeah.
What do you mean who save NSFAS? We need to talk about that. You get your allowance, but when are you gonna save 500 rand? Sharp, if it's for December, but
because I've never thought it like that. Thought about it like that. But when it happens, what is civil and NSFAS? Why?
That's the chat.
Like NSFAS ifuna ngathi ka ungaba like boosting 2000 every month yazi ukuthi NSFAS ibekile eceleni then the 2000 yacaba ukuthi for fun ka yo mina I wish intana yazi mengilane esikoleni I feel like ngaphila like akuna skolo akuna next akuna exam akuna next every weekend uyajiva uyaphila umnandi everywhere la ufuna uya khona nani akuna ma class akuna next ma uyaphila ka like life ka
you're gonna enjoy it you're gonna enjoy it
maka yanida kana the pressure ama test nani somehow for personal growth
and discipline
so this is it mina ngifila ngathi like abantu basekazi bayaphanda bafethu
they hustle
mara most siphanda for the wrong reasons
that's why
siphandela utshwala nani yabo but yabaza abantu basekazi yazi nyaphi iphanda kanjani Yazi umuntu epema drugs phanda kanjani. Eka umuntu ona drugs like uphanda let's say uphanda maybe for edit uphandela 100 rand per day. 100 rand per day, multiply that by 7 days a week. 700 multiplied by 4. Mamen, ukhona umuntu ka ovuka ekuseni ngo5 am. Abuye endlini ma7 ebusuku. Uhola 4,000. Inyaphi cash
hey,
uphanda 100 rand, upema like izinto ze100 rand ngelanga.
Mara nakhona it takes ukuthi like ngabe kanjani. Like uyifuna kangakanani like because inyaphi vele desperate at that time. Yeah.
That's why you're willing to do anything. But
I feel like when it comes to business at some point that you need to be desperate for like we get desperate for election like.
Ne.
Yeah.
Into ngisho ukuthi mina ngaba nebekhethi Kenya ubemfana I mean ashilo ngaba fair in life.
Ngaba fair.
Eka mina ngiyabheka mfana iyaphusha kala abantu. Ngala bayaphusha. Just baphushela into ezirong. Makacabanga if bayaphusha maka like mana something eceleni like abayipushayo.
Also your 5 rands they count.
Usakhumbula khona.
Yeah, legend
laba rich. Awena kule mali le mali lo onikeza kunya up estradini like mama so account like from I don't know icaleni lento le but then mina especially when it happens ukuthi okay maybe nina boma young people nyana out.
No,
Clipper. No. Yabona ngiyaziphumela but then obviously so looking nama coins wafethu yabo and they like nyazo sanyema Spanish ngizobheka ngicela yazi bayashashana coins nyana and so
if I speak
I would do it if not make that I would do it if mhlape it's my former schoolmate yabo
ayibo
nah
I'm telling you I'm telling you I've seen that I mean I come from it's got a ghetto like it's a privileged school but ghetto John Ross College.
Where is it?
In Richards Bay.
KZN.
Yeah, KZN. So if I see one of my homies because I'll give them but otherwise I vibe.
So umuntu mangamazi just again.
Don't give them.
But why is distracting?
But buy them bread, don't give them money.
What's the possible?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Nah, true. But what's the possible reason ukuthi like kabesifunda sonke. Like our decisions azithathela abafethu.
We had the same opportunities.
I'm big ukuthi abanye maybe baphuma kuma family like ama background afana. So then abanye ukuthi baba ama street kids asazi ama reason abo but ka abanye ka bayazenza mfana ama decisions bezathatha. So then wawungizwe ibhlungu nomuntu uzenzile musa.
But also ngegama. Problem also kubiza ngegama. Ubonalo. Uzothini? Uzothini?
Mesemini.
Asho ukuthi umuntu nenhliziyo yakhe yabona lo senasiveza abosikole.
It's about taking something. Because you want to make imali and then you're taking.
What if you don't have time? So what if you don't have time later?
But yeah, if you think you're cool in high school, hey. Remember drugs, back classes.
Yes.
Yeah, that one.
You're paving your way.
Why nigga man?
My high school.
Well, netizens Lord.
Chief,
this bro I always vibe with him. This one. When they ask man, that's it. Again, they tell me, when I'm uncle wako. No, just answer you.
Respect, man. He's a good man. That's a good man.
We come from different backgrounds. Kade ngibuka on this other podcast. Ukuthi omunye umuntu ayabiza cripmani.
That's more disrespectful actually. Anye kuzuthi umuntu uncle okay why do you have to say those words? Like
cause booty uncle they one.
Respect.
No mufuna ethi ntwana. No mufuna sitwana.
Hayi mina ngibiza ngentwana.
Ntwana okay.
Oh boy. Hayi ncamanekeke ka. Hayi ngeke. Boy. Ntwana.
Yabo.
Unless yabona wena ungangibiza ngontwana. Yabona le ka ngitelela every day. Ithi wena sana. Ekhaya cha sana. Yazi mina lesibisa. Chinese no it. Yabona wena sana.
Yazi mina lesibisa kanjani? Nebunza yakhe iyayicaba.
Khuluma ngizothi dude.
Ngizana nathi.
Lo mzaphi yathana.
Ngizana wani?
Yabona sana.
Wena sana. Let's go ngizana wani sana.
Icale ngapha.
But in KZN, people would find that disrespectful.
Yeah.
You understand? As in like, you understand why?
Ngasho kanjalo ngihamba ni okay. Sitsheri yami. This other hand, then obviously I'm responding to my bro. Ungise the VN. Then I be like, yabona sana. Maqeda bathi so now you ule out there ukabo disrespectayo whatsoever.
Exactly. I find that disrespectful.
Ngibona ungibiza ngegotman bathi gotman.
It's because of the different backgrounds and different townships is Pumagu.
But me, if I ngazi try, I'll call you like that.
Yeah.
I was all of the sudden I wanna son.
Anyakwazi
Mara ngayenza kuvela kilithari.
Mina Scott ngabambana Scott mina ngibona ngincane kanjani mina ngabambana Scott
Ngoba soso.
Hayi usha ukuthi bangixoshe nala esikoleni.
But yazi khona ka mengiza like before university na like bakhuzwe ngento eziningi obviously bagayela obviously abantu maybe na ku TikTok bagayela ukuthi 1 2 university 1 2 3 respect abantu aba 1 2 3 kuzo zonke sengizibonile ngiyababona amantombazane groove culture makangazi ngabona abantu ababhema ama drugs
There's a lot.
Like ekasi umuntu obhema ama drugs ngikhona ukumbona from distance ukuthi ziyaduma la
wena la usesikoleni.
Chief focus into lesibili.
Yeah.
But then there are people who have drugs.
On campus, like,
Yes.
Like, okay, sharp. I get it, but you like our consumer, like straight. Like, like I'm effect to the time when you pay me, you know. I am cousin, I don't
But Mara, let me tell you something. There's a high rate of HIV. But as Babon,
Yeah, true.
as Babon, I wish I could see them. They should actually glow in the dark, guys.
This is what I'm implementing that I am implementing. So, at the beginning, like, using that. So then I test. Like, mega test at your fan, job lead, and don't go to negative. So, man, you mean, I am fun. Your test. Either at him, me, I mean, last year has been tested and been tested on my Mantombazan. As many as meaning Shire. Mental to share, in China, and Tumble test. Negative should not be negative.
Yes.
But that's all also permit.
Ganjan.
Many embassies,
Our
embassy, like that's how they operate.
I will test. Why will maybe test?
Scott.
But if I reveal, as much as I clinic, as if only clinic office.
Yes.
Stay at clinic. Okay, now me
And I'm spelling that. Scott, and I'm not good at over number 15 and use a spelling and say,
Why?
I mean, especially public hospital. Yeah, that will be able bazotshela abodokotela yazi abodokotela abanyana batshela abantu bakini lapha yamusu wena bakushiya lapha yabo then batshela abantu bakini mphatheleni igawuni nama slippers
Oh, those slippers, no.
mphatheleni nama slippers batshela abodokotela bathi hamba nomphatheleni nama slippers alomuthi kayahamba
Pati na mahiyo.
Wait, let me do it. Ujagu's on seed.
I don't know why.
Oh, ati uphuzisa manje.
Sabujalo.
Mina ngicamane ngifele endlini ekhaya. Into engisho ukuthi kawo nanoma ngayotesta maybe kuthiwa positive mina ngiyithatha nge-ARV bafethi noma ngiyive bafethi.
Guys, no, you protected sex. Siba nje lapho.
Mara
with one person.
Shabagana magafe.
One person.
Yazi njengoba thina singachuthana sithi bafethi yabona mina ngeke unprotected sex mara mina ithu lapha yazi chemistry kamini lapha
amathina
eka yasina sachuthana bafethi yasina siringivala sachuthana bafethi yabona ngiyakwazi ukutshela manje ukuthi angifani mina sex ngiyaprotecta what mara musofika la
kasi yajutana ndana yazi chemist uthi maybe ungamshaya maybe first round maybe protect then second round
siyacabanga manje
so usinali pet boy so
mara use it
uzanothola akhona mara yini mara kumele protect mara kunezinto
thola ubuza why amanye amantombazana angethandi protection
uthi keep you going
why nifika kanjani lapho how do you guys get to that level of like nifika kanjani ukuthi okay now like ngicela singasebenzisi why usuke umthemba enough or usuke yenzakalani
plastic is not nice.
it's not
yeah abayithanda chief abayithanda
mara
protect use protection
But I don't know, guys. Mina ngishadile. So I don't know.
oh yeah moshadile vele awuspy
Yeah, what partner how? Ngishadile, guys.
Certificate maybe so when
Second, we did do elope, guys.
kungcono mekunjalo emaka these days guys mina ngina trust issues guys
kanjani
eka athemba umuntu angithembe kalula chief even if like ngazi ukuthi ngiyadlala nawe kuphela mara kunzima
Yeah, then you can never trust your partner.
Sho ukuthi ke uyavuma ukuthi nawe umthembi low key
I'm not sure.
yeah but then you can't fully like trust 100% you trust
mara sometimes bana yanideka like some sort of trust kaumthembe ukuthi nyana ukuthi
yeah then like disappoint
mara ka disappointment mara obvious ama disappointment mele ka she space for disappointment but at some point ka mele umthembe
ikaw ni operator kanjani she space for disappointment mara uyamthemba like how do you guys operate
obvious
inhliziyo yakho methanda iyathanda ukuthi manje uzomtshela ukuthi uzokutrusta 85% hayi ka how do you guys operate that thing
kunama percentage mamela come on mina for mina ka
mara now you said uzokuthemba mara
leave space for disappointment
how do you guys operate kanjani
You have to leave space for a disappointment.
yes you have to
like mina for mina ka mina nyini kuthembe mina
say
mina nyini kuthembe but
mina nyini kuthembe that's how I operate
but mina ngizokuthanda ka ngizenza yonke into 100% yonke into efuna ngizokuyenzela yonke into but ukuthi ka 100% I'll go all out ka mina ngikuthiwa nyajola boy ufuna i-profile pic nakufaka ufuna ukufaka ufuna
allowance
never allowance okay my man allowance ukuthi ka kahle kahle ubhadala umuntu for ukusathana installment can ekawe ngeke allowance mabet mamelana
no maintenance
Let's do it nails, let's do my lashes, let's do my hair.
before relationship before relationship boyenza ngani inzipho boyenza ngani
thank
Nakhona omunye. How? Nakhona omunye. Nakhona omunye bo.
yeah
give allowances
never bafit maka
But I'm joking, guys.
okay
Girls can't expect- Exactly, I was about to talk about that. Uguti, you can't expect the allowance go 1.7 and post. If he wanted to, he would have.
maka bafita
1.7 now where you can't even take care of yourself. Ulo 1.7.
yeah
no expect
no expect ukuthi chief
That's crazy.
yeah allowance is great
kawazi
unaman umphathe kahle
niphathane
if you like buying
kahle
a gift something like that I would mind lento uyayifuna ufuna umniki imali that one is fucked up
kawazi mini
I would never.
debate na benches zami but obvious siyakhuluma angazi ifike kanjani then enye outside yathi kimi uyaphi emjoleni unganamali
But umjolo requires money.
Exactly.
Yeah, true.
And
If you
does.
get to think of it like
Now I'm gonna be bored of having to visit you ekamereni lakho every day.
I
am so
I
sorry.
still remember yesterday I was talking about that.
True.
Like ngishilo ukuthi achieve like anyeke sihlezi sisekamereni sidle ikota sizobhorana.
That's why pregnancy rate is high. Every time.
At the end of the day, like uzokhenya umuntu wakho or vice versa. Picture yakhe izokhenya wena umuntu wakho uzobhorana. Ihlezi nisendaweni eyi-1 upredictable yazi ukuthi namhlanje nizodla fish or whatsoever things nje yabo. Manje nje
Guys, nani ngicabanga nokudla. Oh, I had an ex last year. Hey, wayengilambisa guys. That's why ngaya kushaya on campus.
Ngilambisa. Kanjani? Ngilambisa kanjani?
obvious food.
As in food.
Mumbakashele next.
That's why it's obvious food. But niggas chief they operate to decide. I don't, but they make sure. They make sure.
So, I mean,
I don't agree with that one.
They are going to be Saganyan. Kandana, like every time Mumbakashele, who is total. Next. Like, Scott.
I don't remember eating anything. Oh, guys.
What you didn't have?
It was last year. From what? After freshers. When was it freshers? March, April, May, June. And then you got figure, oh, Big Brother.
Oh, Big Brother.
Yes.
Big Brother.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Every weekend, a date. Yeah. Yes.
That's all I'm saying.
Big Brother night, Johnson.
Big Brother night, Johnson.
I'm done.
Big Brother. No. Yeah, as he Khaled, like, couldn't want to like, Mama Big Brother. Hey, make a approach like, yeah, madam. No, you know, that driver, I'm getting mutin.
No, that's bullshit.
Rolex.
That's yeah. I have my Rolex, you know.
He's not like a big brother.
Age difference.
26.
He's 26.
Yes.
Oh.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. And how old are you?
21.
Yeah. It makes sense. It makes sense. No, it aligns.
So
Instagram.
Okay,
Yes.
So you guys very you
so
you reply. They check and
yeah, check profile.
Okay.
No, I act.
Sam.
Why, right?
My man, I understand. Like, what happened? Okay, me Latin. Hey.
Hi.
What's a hi? Friend.
Wait, I have a screenshot.
I think there's money involved. Like you you checked what?
Like no, his account was private.
You lie.
When I met him for the first time, he was like, "How?" But you came to a stranger, because you never followed me back, so I can thingy accept your request. So it wasn't about that.
Why did you go to a stranger?
So man, let me tell you, Uguti.
Then you texted and reply. Yeah, what's up?
No, on Instagram.
Oh no, what's up?
Wait.
I mean, I came. Instagram, we not TikTok, Instagram, and you bonnet, what's in you? I haven't done Instagram. I can also post that out. If Kaolo Mutula post that.
Listen, he was like, hey. Me not really, I'm a ghetto girl. I was like 8. And then was like, Unjani, you looking stunning. I've got to get you an exam care packet to keep that glow going during exam season.
There's money.
Money. And you guys won't believe it. I told my boyfriend. The one.
You were in a relationship at the time?
Yes.
The ex big lamb is doing.
I was like, hey babe, there's someone on Instagram who wants to buy me a study care packet. And he was like, hey, block that person.
Mama, if him. He ex out. That's not the thing. My is a sailor song. Let's say, okay, now change with him. there's someone involved. Also, the guys are maybe 5,000.
Chief,
So that's all.
But on Instagram,
Nyaguza.
yeah, okay, guys. Oh.
Then what's okay? I said.
No,
I said
I told
my-
him. No, listen. I told boyfriend. I was like, okay, this nigga wants to buy me Easterly care packet. And he was like, no, please block him, Dr. Tony. I was like, okay, I will. Got home, told my friends. My friends were like, no, please block that person. Don't own it. I'm like,
Like, profile like I profile picture, I storm
but I
Very private Instagram my face next, ne?
a profile picture,
if it's private,
but
it's
then I didn't pay attention to that.
You're not gonna go through the post and everything.
Study care packet, that's
That's something.
That's a flex.
because normally you would get a nigga that says, can I please buy you lunch?
Hey, this
It's
approach, Chief.
different.
Hey, this nigga is cooking. Like, Chief, like,
For me, it was
he was
different.
cooking, Chief. Trust me, yabona my man, like yazi cinema out sitong the one, Chief. Like isitshela ukuthi labo cherry lava, like they all like into I don't know how to put it, but then into vibey stuff, like let's go out and because they used to that. Like if approach it's kind of different.
Exactly, if you start like that, you're
Yeah.
doing very well. Go to me now, I go to groove.
Yeah.
And
Then I mean make him approach and puluma with golf related stuff. Like
Yeah.
But approach quite different. Approach on my Instagram because me and I never am active on Instagram.
I'm the man or men are pendula my deals on Instagram. Like that's
That DM.
no. It says like yeah, on TikTok, Facebooks and Instagram. I don't DM, I don't reply to those. So Nyazbuzu with like do people like do that where they reply, response?
Me, when someone sends me a message on IG, I pay attention to that.
I don't, Chief.
Because it's rare.
I'm not face to face. Face to face come different because let's say last time I corner it's where also apply game different. Whereby most time I no go. Yeah, game let's say post my career. For example.
When I have power, like when I meet you in person. Most of the girls they have power. When they phone in,
Like I phone in, there's a high possibility.
I feel like for me it's the other way around.
It's the other way around.
For me,
I think for most gents, like it's in person. Like
I mean, I'm prefer. I'm gonna chance obvious. I'm chance so my Instagram.
But then let's say, as soon as I get to like talk to you like properly, and now like there, I want to express that. You know what I mean?
I mean, so like total. I mean, I never. Let's say prepare face to face. Otherwise, if we like Instagram DM, nyak chat tadi nung shang yopom yung guys team masam. Then nung kana na mixas sa campus. Ni text this or na nung shang yopom.
that's I saw this nigga in my DM.
I will continue like I get what's by
This over okwa.
Exactly.
Now when you reject face to face, then nyak kon handle rejection like.
I mean, I can't
reject Mame, I mean, nyak kon handle rejection. But rejection, I mean, rate low. I mean, it's a rare good one reject.
Who's umchita with ngama kashanga kana scale? Not that
Crash.
I don't approach because rejection, guys. I was we hate it.
Crash. It lasted how long in crash?
Yeah, I'm thinking sure.
Okay, with me it's different. I mean, I feel like if into kuluma now, then you give me those like vibes or like I don't see you before. That's when now it's gonna fade. But then if I'm not born, like I don't think it's gonna fade. Unless maybe I did something bad or I don't know, Chief.
I mean, I think perspective, that's why I'm preferring over a crash because the minute you want a crash, let's say no mood, like a specific person, over a crash where like everything, yeah, Kayenza, so one and perfect. The way I walk perfect. The way I say perfect. The way I could not perfect. The way I am perfect. But the minute you don't know and I want and everything is one.
That is why. Unless things are cool man in person, then angisaboni ngale ndlela leyo ngibona ngathi that's when that's gonna fail. Yeah.
Indaba
approach the first time the body.
mina crash mina crash
When
kami
last did you
mina
have a crash?
crash last year bengine crash nomunye again bengikheleza naye yabo bengifunda naye again igabeni crash bekamuhle ka yazi mina enhle bokungasi crash like umuntu like bengimazi like from eclassini like mangana ndaba naye but it came to a certain point whereby igalo ke lihlezi angibhekile ngitshela Scott ngithi Scott ubheke uzobheke emuva uzombona like abeke ka yabona lesihamba la ngasithola then every time like when ngiphuma eclassini angisamboni nani then kwafika isikhathi whereby besilaye kule building le science building then mebaphuma sona ngiyambona yo mfana lakelwa hayi ngimiyeke wafeni nyachika uma lunganakhe ngithi nyachika ngiyahamba kuye nyam-approach ngiba like obvious la nyam-approach ngithatha ama-number obvious ikhasha so then mengimtext aka like iyaphendula maka angina like i-chemistry ka like I feel ngathi iyaphendula yabo ayideni ngiyabona ngithi angiphuma kuyo waba umuntu like for the first semester yonke waba umuntu like whereby ngicaba i-status sakhe nawubona i-status sami so in such a way ukuthi every time like ngihlezi ngibheka i-status sakhe nawubheka i-status sami then it came to a point second semester sokuye manje sekangilandelela sekasimva kwami no sekangitext ungibuza ngama-class nani ilapho ke sesicala ukuhlangana khona sengiba naye like straight sengifuna ukuprove ipoint ukuthi wena kule kudala ngongangifuni manje no sokuwe ngigijimisa mina like ikayichase imnandi ka yazi ichase imnandi kanjani whereby okay uhlangana naye nona uhlangana naye then ulandela like uput effort yena kuba ngathi that guy then the next thing most close naye like so sene right so like yena seka invested seka catching lapho so step up kancane yabona
Why do you guys do that?
Like they're feeling imnandi.
It's fun.
Marimnandi
No, that's messed up.
Lepa siyasicha up manje sekuye kulandelela wena
And ngasikhathi wenza ngathi awulanda. Kanti nenda.
Just ukuthi
Beka testa namhlanje sibuza ukuthi ehle why ngitesta ngikhamba. Yabo. Like unendaba mawenza ngathi awulanda.
But guys.
so
Like
honeymoon
phase isiphelile.
marimnandi honeymoon phase neka ka honeymoon phase baba ayizona la ingane zakiba ka ufila ngathi izolasta forever uyachapha izofela mara nimnandi wena so safika study pack ukuthumela imali
No, Safik.
straight
Safik.
so
Study pack.
Safik.
Abazozwana.
bathi umblock msnabangani bakho
Yes.
wena wathi sathi ngamblock
Why?
wena wathi
Why?
Shukuthi amanye amantombazana walalile abangana.
No,
Ah,
Pela.
yes.
For me,
Mama,
it's
there is
different. Me and I went to boarding school. My friends were doing their first years. Shukuti, it's first time without their parents. Why must I listen to you?
Indaba ngamanye amantombazana chief like abakwazi ukwenza abakwazi ukuthathela ama-decisions.
I've been doing my own decisions for 5 years.
Because
boarding
from
school.
boarding school
Yeah.
so the decision making yakhe actually
So by that
one advantage more than the one laba
Exactly.
So at some point you felt like lento yenza it's a right thing to do.
Right thing to do.
So what about your place? Like
then umuntu usesekela the package
and now okay what were you thinking like what were you like ngocabanga ngaso sikhathi leso like am I building something on this other side or like yenzakalani?
No, I knew.
Uthini?
izophelela vele
Izopela.
That's wrong mafethu. That's wrong.
Nothing lasts forever.
then nakhuluma
That's
for how
wrong.
long
Lasts forever.
And then it was
June
May. And then June was his birthday.
When
was it?
Yo.
Oh, my other boyfriend. Wangipa u2K for No. Guys, no.
No way. No. Oh.
No, let me tell you.
It's happening. We
No.
didn't. It's cut.
Oh, my other boyfriend sent me money to buy the Steve Madden bag that I wanted. So I was
Your
like,
ex?
Your other.
Other.
That person.
Third. Man, okay.
We're gonna believe it at some point, I don't know. But then, can I ask something? Currently, yes, to Shakira. What are currently like? Buying
One. I'm committed.
Let's say, yeah, obvious. Now, let's say, but like when
It's
you
one.
One.
Birthday gift.
Oh, birthday gift. And then Shabu, I got the money like 2 days before I bought him EKK. Red and then Hennessy. And it was sweater Nike.
VSOP.
His sweater Nike and
how much was it?
Oh, I wish
it was 1.1.
Oh my days.
And then
that is why.
It's not even the good part. Cherry on top. We broke up the next day.
For what now?
Why? Oh,
because he was so used to me chasing him.
Oh, were you that game now? Were you?
Kagumkichimisa
No,
kanjani? Understand? Twist like ifike kanjani ukuthi ecaleni uyeke kakuchisa then ichinje kanjani ukuthi wemkichimisana.
No, it happened that I went home. When I went home, I wasn't on my phone, so I wasn't texting him back until ngalala ntontoni. Yeah, the following morning expecting me to text back because we are not cleaning. And I was like, I propose I am.
For logo, shooting in a venue.
Oh, like.
No, but I mean there's another person in the picture, man.
So
that's something.
Oh, I understand.
Yes.
Oh.
So can I
the guy?
Okay, cool.
The guy. It's the second person. I know to tell you actual on design. Then there's a third person. Forget money for a gift, nan.
But I wouldn't say that's my boyfriend. Man, guys.
Namanji.
Even yesterday.
Oh my God.
I still
You hate these people.
The money name was.
You can't receive money like you wanna go there, no.
It was
5K.
Yeah.
Okay, ingene. Okay, as a 5K, you okay.
5K, yo.
Reason, girlfriend allowance.
No.
Go to Mushi.
Yes.
We
went to Ichilas with my other friend, and this nigga was like, Nibate.
It's try my sister.
It's try.
Yeah,
but then this first episode,
thanks you
That's
guys
how
for
it is.
watching. We'll see you another time, another day, another dole. It's your boy Scott from the Boycott UTT VSOP Vibes Cape Origin Podcast. The topic is off topic. We just rock.
And the introduction, I'll show you introduction next episode.
Like I would go introduction episode was there.
Season 1 episode
No,
1.
like, okay.
Dango.
Introduction.
Dango.